Our Pay It Forward program here at Campbell & Company was actually the brainchild of one of our employees, and it makes me very proud to really make a difference with some people's lives. As all of us know, there's people living around us and among us who are less fortunate. We all live here amongst each other, and the way we look at it is we've been very fortunate to live and work in this community, and we would like to pay that forward. So it's maybe a little bit of a hand up, but then, you know, the idea behind Pay It Forwards is that everybody keeps paying it forward. And it's an honor to be part of it. One recently that we helped with was the Knights of Columbus Help program. What these gentlemen do is really amazing. They take used medical equipment and they help people who can't afford it. They had no heat in their shop area.
We're providing a better heating and air conditioning system that I don't believe they had before. So we call this more of a full cut-in, so something that no one ever had that we're installing for them, give them more comfort in the summer and winter. I really enjoy it. I like to do things for people that are doing things for other people. It just feels good.
We assisted them in getting heat so that all the gentlemen that are donating their time could be working on these wheelchairs and walkers and all the things that they provide in a little better environment. And we're very honored to actually be part of that.